You got one. What's that?
Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, before heading out for our camping trip in Selmiyyah later, we decided to stop by here in Madinat Zayed shopping center to have our brunch at Pulutan House restaurant. We've actually been missing the taste of Filipino restaurant from our hometown in the Philippines, which is why we choose to eat here first. The good thing here in Abu Dhabi is that there are so many Filipino restaurants to choose from. The moment we walked into the restaurant, the aroma and the cozy vibe instantly made us feel at home. The food looked like amazing and completely satisfied the cravings we've been waiting. This restaurant truly delivered, so if you're in the area and craving that authentic Filipino flavor, this place is definitely worth checking out.
Tagulan ba yung ulan? Akala nga namin dito na magpipishing.
You got one. What's that? Flatfish? Oh. Number one.
After we finished setting up, we all started to feel hungry, so we decided to eat the food we had brought with us. Just a reminder, there are no restaurants nearby, so be sure to pack your own meals. Additionally, there are no restroom available, so if you need one, please bring a portable toilet. You can go swimming here, but make sure to bring your own rinsing off because there are no shower facilities in this area.
Ay, oo, si
Patay
Ching.
yung bata, no? Saan lagay na? Kasal na tayo ni Crispy. Superman na nag-iisa eh.
Si Ate ano naman. Ate Alex.
مناسب څنګه چالتە شەی جوړی خێر دە بەڕووباری تەبیات شەدا خێرکی Saan ba na ano yan?
Nahuli pre. Kamina.
Yeah. Chuga.
What?
Sige, go, 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 go.
I need
Go, go, go.
Oh.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
Ala, ay na ninuguan.
Ay.
Ang iba, ang daming sabaw.
Ay, kasi kumain ka sa bahay.
Busog daw siya.
Ang bango ah.
Kilala mo naman yan si Ching. Kasi hindi nagpapahuli yan.
Di ba? Yung sa gitna.
Adobor talaga yan.
At eto,
Si paring Edwin nagbalik.
Si Papay.
Si Tat.